Today I'm making coconut macadamia nut macaroons. First I'm going to add 14 ounces of sweetened coconut flakes. Next I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of chopped macadamia nuts. Then I'm going to add 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. Next I'm just going to mix that up until everything is combined. Next I'm going to scoop out the coconut macaroons and put them on a baking sheet. Now I have some maraschino cherries. I'm going to put a cherry on each coconut macaroon and then bake this at 350 for 12 minutes. Here's an up-close look of the coconut macadamia nut macaroons.